A Pokémon Go Fest ticket is a paid pass that unlocks exclusive event content, like special research, rare spawns, and boosted shiny rates during Pokémon Go Fest. But sometimes the ticket doesn't show up or work properly. In this video, we'll show you how to fix it. Part 1. What you should know before getting a Pokémon Go Fest ticket. Tip 1. Buy tickets in the in-game shop. It appears in your item bag and unlocks the event. Tip 2. Go Fest 2026 tickets include Early Bird, General, and add-ons like City Explorer and Premier Access, with city pricing and perks. Part 2. Why is Pokémon Go Fest ticket not showing up? Purchase not synced. Store may delay syncing, so ticket may not appear immediately. App glitches. Cache or outdated app can hide it. Wrong account. Different login may hide it. Event tab. Restart or re-login to refresh. Part 3. How to fix Pokémon Go Fest ticket not showing up working. Solution 1. Restart app and device. Solution 2. Sign out and back in. Solution 3. Verify purchase history. Solution 4. Check events tab. Solution 5. Update the app. Solution 6. Verify internet connection. Solution 7. Contact Niantic support. Part 4. How to play Pokémon Go Fest without tickets. Flexible. Attending events virtually becomes possible with a GPS spoofing tool, such as Virtual Location Tool, which lets users change their location on iOS or Android devices. Step 1. Set up the tool properly. Download and install the top-rated Pokémon Go spoofing tool on your PC. Launch the program and hit the Get Started button. Connect your Android or iOS phone to the computer via USB cable. Then confirm the trust prompt that pops up on your device. Step 2. Switch to teleport mode. Once loaded, the software will display a map showing your real-time current location. Tap the third icon in the top right corner to activate teleport mode. Step 3. Pick your target location. Pinpoint the exact spot you want to jump to on the map. If you don't have the full address, just type in a few related keywords. You can also zoom in or out to fine-tune your chosen location. Step 4. Start location spoofing. Finally, click the Move button. The map marker will automatically shift to your selected spot, and your in-game location in Pokémon Go will update accordingly. You can now play the game freely without needing any in-game travel passes.